different eyes, gonna make you realize. You know I can.